Great location, great value. Commute is easy. The location is so near to JR Sapporo West entrance with a few convenience stores nearby. Breakfast is simple but tasty and enough to fuel you up for the day. The staffs are helpful. With the price I paid, this is really of great value. The only thing I have is they have a very late check-in and early check-out time. Exceptional near Sapporo Station, convenience store and bus to airport. Staff was nice and helpful for everything. JR Inn Sapporo, nice hotel with great location, amenities and simple breakfast, yet enough to me. We'll put in the list again in future visit to Sapporo. Super nice place to stay. Nice bed and pillow, romantic face, insulation was super good and I had a good quality of sleep while staying here. Great location, everything is good. Very excellent, good hotel and excellent hospitality. Exceptional, excellent. Exceptional, great place. Value for money stay. Clean, 6 minutes walking distance from JR Sapporo. Near Lawson and Family Mart with laundry services available. Cannot ask for more for the price. Compliments to the staff. It's a short walk from Sapporo Station if you don't get lost in a snowstorm. Conveniently near convenience stores, and we were pleasantly surprised by the complimentary breakfast they provide. It helped us start our morning off very well and relax. Exceptional convenient location near Sapporo Station. Breakfast are good. JR Inn is all you need. JR Inn always meets my expectations. Exceptional, very close to the station and very nice staff. Clean rooms, bathroom mirror is even heated, kissing face. Convenient and neat. Our overall stay was good. The place is near the train station and there were a lot of dining options nearby. The hotel is clean and well maintained. We also like that the amenities are available in the lobby and you can take as and when you need, so there's less wastage. You can even select pillows of different variations. 2, 3, Lawson. Best place to stay in Sapporo. Good location, around 2 minutes walk to train station. Very nice room and was able to fit all my big luggages. Very accommodating and friendly staffs. Definitely will book at this hotel again when I come back to Hokkaido.